Everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you mute other players on Fortnite. Basically, muting other players is going to help you focus on the game much more and stop anyone who's not using any push to talk or anything and is annoying you, and you can hear all the background noise in their microphone. So I am going to show you how can you do this now. So once you're in the lobby, okay, with your teammates, you're going to go hit on escape. Once you click on escape, you have all the way people that you're playing with over here. Now you're going to click on the name you want to mute. You're going to click on left click, and once you click on it, you have an option called mute. Now once you click on mute,
where is from?
He's muted. Okay. Another example. You can go over here, click on mute, and he's muted. Another thing you can do is just make sure if you don't want to play with anyone other than your party, just make sure you are in your party voice chat is friends only, not friends and teammates, and you're not going to be able to talk to anyone other than your friends. So that was it now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I would really recommend to try communicating with other people. It's really fun, and you can meet all good people out there. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.